Hey everybody, Chuck here. In today's first video, we're in the area of measuring forecast error accuracy, and specifically we're looking at forecast error. So by definition, forecast error is the variation that occurs period by period. So that's measurements like MAPE, MAD, standard deviation, mean square of errors, etc., as found in your material here. Now, measuring this type of demand variation is important because it helps us determine things like safety stock levels, inventory levels, service levels we want to achieve, confidence that we have in the forecast and such. So the impact of the forecast error comes out of the same area as this previous video, where using the right forecasting method means we're better able to plan, schedule, source, manage inventory, etc. And selecting an appropriate method of forecasting is important because it drives many of the decisions of the organization, and the forecast has to be representative of the world we operate within and predict the demand relatively consistently and accurately. Now, what's that got to do with forecast errors? The more we can pick the right model, the more we can have an effective process, the better we're able to forecast accurately and therefore have less variation. And the less variation we have, the more certain our predictions are going to be. And so the impact becomes the higher the error, the more variation we have. The lower the error, the less variation we have. And variations referring to actual minus forecast. Now, again, the more variation we have, the more inventory we have to carry to meet the service levels required of us, the more uncertain we are in what will occur. And conversely, the less variation we have, the less inventory we'll have to carry to meet the service levels required because we are more confident in what's actually going to happen here.